welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Crystal. How are you guys doing? Happy Wednesday. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be doing an updated wash and go. So as you guys can see in my little thumbnail, yes, I will be using some new products, my Cantu. So a lot of people don't like using Cantu, but let me tell you, Cantu, I started with Cantu and I'm going to end with Cantu, okay? So Cantu, they have a new gel out. This one is the Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold. It has, this one is the Moisturized Retention Styler Gel with flaxseed oil and olive oil. There's no alcohol, crunches, flicks, or itches, none of that. And then the cream of choice that I used was the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner Cream, Repair Cream. So yeah, that is the two products that I use for my gel and my cream. And then, of course, I use my wild growth oil and then my water. This is the gel that I've been telling you guys that I was trying to find for the longest. I finally found it in Target. Of course, the price, I ended up paying $5.32 for this, but let me tell y'all, that is all I use for the gel, and I'm very heavy-handed, so if I still have some gel in here, then y'all already know this is a good buy. And when I tell you a little goes a long way, okay, so just stay tuned for the video and watch the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Hey y'all, so as always, I'm going to start my wash and go working in sections. This is freshly washed, conditioned hair, and then you will see me work my way up from the back to the front. Y'all, I'm sorry, I just had to take a break. Look at these curls. Do y'all see that? I was so shook. That was only the repair cream by itself. So if it could do that, then I can't even imagine what that gel gonna do. It's over. It's over. Okay. All right, now that I'm done with the back, I'm going to work my way up to the front. You guys see me here promoting my hair growth. I'm now going to start styling and selecting my part. Today, I am going for a side part. And after I finish my side part, I will tie one side up and then I will go working into sections. So as always, working in my sections, you guys will see me using the lock method, my liquid oil cream. You already know what my liquid is. My oil is the wild growth oil. My cream is the Cantu repair cream. And then of course, I'm using the Cantu gel. Right here, you guys see me going in with my Denman brush. It's just to define my curls. I know you guys see those juicy curls. And then with this repair cream, it's just going to make it pop even more. Alright guys, so now it's time to lay my edges. I just went in with some more of that Cantu gel and I just brushed it to the side. Y'all, so let me explain. This is my heat damage area. I must say, with the gel, at first it did not curl up, so I had to go back in and finger coil my heat damage, but as it dried, it curled up towards the end. Alright y'all, so thank you for watching my video. You guys that stick to the end, please like, comment, share, subscribe, send it off to y'all friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz and this updated wash and go. Yes, Lord. I did this wash and go because it was time for an updated wash and go, and I honestly wanted to try this gel. I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on Facebook, I've seen it everywhere. So if you guys decide to try this video, please tag me in your video so I can see how it looks on your hair. And I also plan on doing a twist out on this product. I must say, like, after using it, my hair feels light. As you guys can see, my heat damage, you guys seen in the video, my heat damage, it didn't curl up right away, but as I did my finger coils, it looked like okay, like it did its thing. For my edges, I just laid it down. I'm going to see how it looks at the end of the day, and of course I'm going to add a clip to see how this gel lasts in my hair. But this gel says it's the maximum hold, so I'm going to see how it dries. So, well, you guys probably seen it by now, the end clip of how it looks at the end of the day, but I'm telling you guys right now, my hair feels good. It feels light. It smells good, real good. So when somebody walk by you, you're gonna be like, and I'm gonna be like, yes, Cantu. I just went, no, I ain't playing. I'm serious. I'm serious. But yeah, I'm excited. I love how my hair looks. My hair looks juicy, okay? But stay tuned for Sunday's video, and I'll give you all the specs of how it left my hair, how I feel about it now. You guys will hear some of the information now, but I'll definitely give you guys more information on this gel. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. Have an amazing Wednesday. Remember, keep positive, keep proactive, and keep it pushing. All right? So Mesha Curlz out, and I'll see you guys on Sunday.